Hello, this is Lance Cleveland, creator of Store Locator Plus. Today I'm going to go over the updates for Pages version 4.4.06 that was released this morning. This update fixes an issue with the way pages were being reset whenever you edited a location and saved it. So this version, you can see I've got a bunch of location pages. This is under Store Pages that have been created via the Location Manager. And you can see I've got this one here set to the published state, and if I go and view this, I can see that it's out here as a public location and a public page. So one of the issues that was happening that was reported by one of our customers is that if you changed a location, the page would be recreated, and in this case it would set it back to draft, and it would also set the page template back to what you see here. So if you went into a location and edited the page, which you're able to do once it's created, and let's say added some custom text up here, that would usually stay in place. It's supposed to stay in place unless you recreate the page from the Location Manager. All the rest of this data will be updated dynamically from the database. And what was happening is if you went into a location and edited this particular location and changed some data here, so I'm going to change this. When you hit this save, it would actually rewrite that page. So with this patch release for Store Pages, if you now go in and look, the original changes that I had made, it's still set as a public site. It's not reset to draft, which is the default. And if I edit the location, I'll still see my special text is in place. So that's the big change that was done with Store Pages version 4.4.06. Hopefully that alleviates some frustration when you're editing your pages and they were being reset. You couldn't figure out why. So that's the change. Store Pages 4.4.06. As always, thanks for watching, and thank you for your support of Store Locator Plus.